In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Smartsheet. Wrapping text is a handy feature that ensures all the content you enter into a cell remains visible and orderly without spilling over into adjacent cells. Whether you're managing data or developing a project plan, maintaining a clean and readable format is crucial. Now, let's dive into the process of wrapping text, ensuring your tables are tidy and easy to read. First, begin by identifying the particular cell in your Smartsheet where you want to apply the text wrap feature. It's important to choose the right cell, as this is where your text input will potentially exceed the cell's width, making wrapping necessary. Imagine you're documenting extensive notes or inserting detailed descriptions. That's precisely when text wrapping becomes invaluable. Once you have pinpointed the cell, direct your attention to the top of the screen. This is where the toolbar resides, and it boasts a variety of features that enhance how you visualize and interact with your data. Within this toolbar, you'll find numerous buttons, each serving a different purpose. Our focus today will be on the Text Wrap button. Now you might wonder, what exactly does this Text Wrap button look like? Typically, it's represented by an icon resembling a few horizontal lines contained within a cell, indicating that your text will respectfully nestle within the designated boundaries of the cell rather than sprawling across your entire spreadsheet. Next, simply click on the Text Wrap button to activate this feature. What happens here is quite straightforward. Your text, no matter how lengthy it might be, automatically adjusts to fit within the cell, spilling over to the next line rather than bleeding into adjacent cells. This not only helps in maintaining a neat and professional appearance, but also allows for better readability and comprehension. After clicking the Text Wrap button, take a moment to observe the changes. The text that previously extended beyond your cell's edges will now appear in a visually pleasing format. This small yet powerful adjustment can significantly improve how you present and analyze your data. And there you have it. By selecting the cell and clicking the Text Wrap button in your toolbar, you've successfully enabled text wrapping in Smartsheet. It's a simple process, but one that makes a big difference in keeping your content organized. Whether you're dealing with small data sets or extensive project details, ensuring all information is easily accessible and legible is key. Enjoy the newfound clarity in your Smartsheet projects, and thank you for watching.